Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at CreditLady.com, and I have some amazing news for you today. So behind the scenes, my team and I have been working diligently to put together a platform that just makes sense for consumers. Now this platform is designed for anyone who is seeking to restore and or rebuild their personal credit profile without having to worry about the high fees that can be associated with traditional credit repair. So today I am super excited to now introduce to you our new program, which is called CreditLadyFree.com. This system is free. It allows you to access your credit report, add it to the system, click on the items that you want to remove, print and mail the powerful letters that we have used to remove negative reporting items from our paid clients' reports. So again, go to CreditLadyFree.com to learn more about this system. Now, because this free software utilizes a specific 3-bureau credit monitoring site, you will need to register with this specific credit monitoring system in order to use the free software that we're providing to you. Now, the credit bureau site will charge an average of $25 to $30 monthly. Now, when it comes to traditional credit repair, if you know anything about that, you are ultimately saving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just in this service alone. Now, I wanted to eliminate any and all excuses that consumers could possibly come up with when it comes to repairing their personal credit profiles. And I believe we have succeeded with CreditLadyFree.com. Now, one of the best things about this entire platform is that we are going to give you some bonuses. Yes, we're going to give you some free bonuses with this free program. So one, you'll have access to our private Facebook group so that you'll have support throughout this process and not feel like you're doing this alone. The other thing is that you're going to get access to some tools that will do things like show you how to boost your scores while you're removing the negative items, because you can't just remove negative items from your credit report without infusing it with positive credit. So we're going to show you how to do that and where to access that information from. The other thing is that while you're in this particular Facebook group, we're going to do things like once or twice a month, we're going to go live, answer your questions, bring in specialists and others who are going to show you how to use your personal credit to now build wealth for yourself and wealth for your family. So if $3.99 is your favorite price, as it's mine, then I urge you to go to CreditLadyFree.com, register today, and begin the journey towards credit excellence. No longer do you have to suffer in silence. You may know somebody else who also has poor credit, and you can share this information with them so that they can get their financial life together. Do not keep this as a secret, because the goal is to help at least 1,000 consumers within 12 months gain access to credit excellence, which equals financial freedom. You may be someone who is looking to buy a new home and you're tired of renting. You may want to become a real estate investor. You may want a new job and it's stopping you because of your credit. You may just want to buy a brand new car at 1.9% interest as opposed to a 10-year-old car at 22% interest. Whatever your goal is, it's up to you. It is up to you to take action. It is up to you to execute. It is up to you to do a little bit of work to begin the journey once again towards restoring and rebuilding your personal credit file, or sharing this with someone else who is in need of this system. Someone who cannot normally afford credit repair. This is for them. Someone who is skeptical about credit repair. This is for them. Someone who is tired of paying high interest, paying high fees when they're trying to get their lights turned on, or cable, or whatever the issue might be. It is time for you to remove all the excuses and start rebuilding your financial life. Because over at CreditLadyFree.com, we have made it our mission and our business to make sure that there are no excuses any longer. Now, this is Monique Macklin over at creditlady.com and now also creditladyfree.com. I want to thank you so much for your time and attention, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful and a very blessed and prosperous day. Take care.